Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sync daily habits with Google Calendar. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to integrate or sync daily habits with Google Calendar, all you gotta do is simply create a dedicated calendar for habits. Then you need to set up each habits as a recurring event at a specific time and location. As you can see here, I have written different kind of notes in it. So if I'm gonna write an event or a daily habit in it, you can simply get a alarm call, or you can simply get a notice about you have integrated your habits in Google Calendar. You can use color coding for different kind of habits and distinguish them between different types, set reminder for each event, and use notes or emoji to track your completion. So by doing this, you can simply sync your daily habits with the help of your Google Calendar. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.